When it comes to surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23, Scon Design is a reputable company that stands out. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as one of the leading surveyors in the region. Whether it is a residential or commercial project, Scon Design has the knowledge and skills to provide accurate and reliable surveying services. Gurgaon Sector 23 is a bustling area with various types of properties and developments. It is important for property owners and developers to have access to reliable surveyors who can assist them in determining accurate measurements and boundaries. Scon Design understands the unique requirements of this sector and is equipped with the latest tools and technology to deliver precise results. Scon Design's team of surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 has extensive experience in conducting topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. They are well versed in using advanced equipment such as DGPS receivers, robotic total stations, and laser scanners to ensure high quality and precise measurements. Their attention to detail and commitment to excellence have earned them a reputation for delivering exceptional surveying services. Surveying plays a crucial role in the development process. It provides essential information regarding the land, its boundaries, and its suitability for construction. With Scon Design's expertise, clients can make informed decisions about their projects, whether it is for building a new structure or renovating an existing one. In addition to their technical proficiency, Scon Design also prioritizes customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires individual attention. Contact Scon Design today to learn more about their services and how they can support your project in Delhi. Surveyors in Gurgaon Sector, May 23, be found at Scon Design, a respected business that stands out. They have made a name for themselves as one of the top surveyors in the area, thanks to their knowledge and experience in the industry. Scon Design is capable of offering precise and dependable surveying services for both residential and commercial projects. Gurgaon Sector 23 is a thriving neighborhood with a wide range of homes and buildings. It's critical for developers and property owners to have access to reputable surveyors who can help them establish precise measurements and limits. Scon Design is outfitted with the most up-to-date tools and technology and is aware of the particular needs this industry has. The Gurgaon Sector 23 surveying staff at Scon Design has a wealth of experience performing topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. They are skilled in making use of cutting-edge tools including laser scanners, robotic total stations, and DGPS receivers to guarantee accurate measurements. They have a reputation for providing top-notch surveying services, thanks to their attention to detail and dedication to perfection. Surveying is essential to the process of development.